Welcome back to Autoscope. 2026 Dodge 4x4 RV, unrestricted luxury and powerful exploration. Aluminum or cutting-edge composite materials are used to reduce weight in the motorhome's cabin without sacrificing structural integrity. Or insulation, better aerodynamics, despite being primarily focused on off-road performance. The design takes aerodynamics into account for greater fuel efficiency on the road. Double-pane and insulated windows, double-paned, insulated windows that use less energy. A strong entry door including two security locks and a retractable electric ladder. Off-road LED illumination includes additional LED spotlights on the sides and front. A built-in roof rack with plenty of room for additional stuff. An electrically driven, robust side awning. Interior, a comfortable queen or king-size bed and an opulent mattress. Kitchen, examples of smart storage include stainless steel sinks, microwave oven combos, refrigerators and freezers, induction gas stoves, and cabinets and drawers with secure locking mechanisms. Sliding and folding table and chairs. To save space, a dining table is paired with comfortable, recyclable chairs that slide or fold up. The use of durable, readily cleaned materials that nonetheless convey a feeling of elegance and contemporary design. For traversing challenging terrain and towing larger loads, the well-known inline 6-cylinder Cummins Turbo-Diesel Diesel Engine offers tremendous torque. HEMI V8 Gasoline Engine. This powerful option provides exceptional on-road performance and rapid acceleration. All-terrain mud-terrain tires are big tires with aggressive tread patterns for the best traction on rocks, mud, or sand. Solar panel. An MPPT controller powers a strong rooftop solar panel that charges batteries. Lithium iron phosphate LiFePO for batteries are capable of storing energy and providing a steady power source due to their huge capacity. A GPS tracker, parking sensors, collision warning, an alarm system, and a 360-degree video system are examples of security features. Smart TV with internet and satellite antenna.